Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing, uncovering the best products to promote in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, finding the right products to rep is key to maximizing those affiliate links and boosting your earnings. We're talking about products people actually want, need, and are searching for right now. From the sleekest tech gadgets to everyday essentials, we've curated a list that caters to a variety of niches and interests. So if you're ready to level up your affiliate marketing game and discover the products that are going to be huge in 2024, then stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a category that's always in demand: high-end laptops. These days, a powerful portable machine is essential for everyone from students and creators to professionals on the go. The laptop market is constantly evolving, with new models dropping all the time. We're talking about the latest and greatest from industry giants like Apple, Dell, and HP. Think slim bezels, stunning displays, and processors that can handle anything you throw at them. And the best part, these brands offer competitive affiliate programs, allowing you to tap into the massive demand for premium laptops. Imagine earning a commission every time someone snags a new MacBook Pro or a Dell XPS through your link. Keep an eye out for emerging brands pushing the boundaries with innovative designs and features. Research their affiliate programs, understand their commission structures, and choose brands that align with your audience and values. Highlight the specs, but also demonstrate how these machines can elevate productivity, creativity, and entertainment. Next up, we're stepping into the world of smart homes, a market that's absolutely exploding right now. From voice-activated assistants to intelligent thermostats and security systems, people are embracing the convenience and connectivity of a smarter living space. Think about it, who wouldn't want to control their lights with their voice, adjust the temperature from their phone, or receive instant notifications about their home security? We're talking about popular products like Amazon Echo devices, Google Nest Hubs, and smart thermostats from companies like Nest and Ecobee. These are products with mass appeal, and the affiliate programs are designed to reward you for driving sales. Paint a picture of the smart home experience. Show your audience how these devices integrate seamlessly into their lives, making everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. Highlight the peace of mind provided by a comprehensive smart home security system. Moving on to a niche that's all about health and wellness fitness trackers. These devices have become indispensable companions for fitness enthusiasts and casual users alike. Packed with features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, GPS, and blood oxygen level measurements, brands like Fitbit, Garmin, and Apple lead with sleek designs and sophisticated sensors. Their affiliate programs offer competitive commissions. Now let's talk about a niche that's all about self-improvement and expanding your horizons: online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, and Masterclass have revolutionized the way we learn, offering a vast library of courses on virtually any topic imaginable. Whether you're interested in coding, design, photography, business, or personal growth, there's an online course out there for you. And here's the best part: many of these platforms have lucrative affiliate programs, allowing you to earn a commission for every student you refer. When promoting online courses, focus on the transformative power of learning. Highlight the specific skills and knowledge that students will gain and how those skills can translate into real-world benefits. Showcase the credibility of the instructors, emphasizing their expertise and experience in their respective fields. Remember, it's about selling the value of education and the endless possibilities that come with continuous learning. Let's be honest, who doesn't love the excitement of receiving a surprise package in the mail? That's the magic of subscription boxes, a niche that's all about delivering curated experiences right to people's doorsteps. From beauty products and gourmet snacks to books, gadgets, and even pet toys, there's a box out there waiting to be unboxed. This diversity is what makes subscription boxes such a fertile ground for affiliate marketing. By partnering with popular subscription box companies, you can tap into a wide range of audiences and cater to their specific interests. When promoting subscription boxes, focus on the element of discovery and delight. Highlight the curated nature of the boxes, emphasizing the care and attention that goes into selecting each item. Don't forget to leverage the power of unboxing videos. Remember, it's about selling an experience, a feeling of anticipation and joy that comes with receiving a carefully curated box of goodies every month. In a world increasingly concerned about environmental sustainability, eco-friendly products are no longer a niche market. They're a global movement. Consumers are becoming more conscious of their environmental impact, and they're actively seeking out products that align with their values. This shift towards sustainable consumption has created a massive opportunity for affiliate marketers. By promoting eco-friendly products, you're not only tapping into a growing market, but also contributing to a more sustainable future. We're talking about everything from reusable water bottles and coffee cups to biodegradable cleaning products, sustainable fashion items, and energy-efficient home appliances. When promoting eco-friendly products, focus on the tangible benefits they offer. Highlight their durability, reusability, and reduced environmental impact. Share your own journey towards a more sustainable lifestyle and highlight the products that have made a difference in your life. Connect with your audience on a deeper level by showing them that you're not just promoting products, you're advocating for a cause you believe in. In today's digital landscape, software tools are as essential as our smartphones and laptops. From productivity apps and design software to project management platforms and cybersecurity solutions, we rely on these tools. Productivity powerhouses like Asana, Trello, and Notion, design giants like Adobe Creative Cloud and Canva, and cybersecurity stalwarts like NordVPN and Malwarebytes. Let's talk about optimizing health and well-being with health supplements. From vitamins to protein powders, people are turning to supplements to support their health. The health and wellness industry is booming, presenting a lucrative opportunity for affiliate marketers. Prioritize transparency and accuracy when promoting supplements. Clearly communicate benefits, side effects, and dosages. Position yourself as a trusted resource, guiding your audience towards a healthy lifestyle. Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot of ground today, exploring some of the hottest affiliate products poised to dominate in 2024. Remember, the key to affiliate marketing success lies in choosing products that genuinely resonate with your audience and align with your passions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments which affiliate products you're most excited to promote in 2024. Until next time, keep crushing it.